I couldn't read, I couldn't do anything. Really couldn't see, really couldn't drive, and was probably a danger to myself. My name is James Donofrio. I'm a lifelong Brooklyn resident, born and bred in Brooklyn, and the owner of Blair-Mazzarella Funeral Home. So when I was around 18 years old, I noticed my eyesight started to deteriorate because I couldn't pass an eye test for a driver's license. So I went to a doctor and he diagnosed me with keratoconus. Keratoconus is a disease of the cornea where your cornea, instead of it being, the best way to put it, like the fat side of an egg, it's in a cone like the other side of an egg, and it distorts your vision, your depth perception, and everything to do with your vision. This is a hereditary disease in my family. My grandfather had it, I have it, and 2 of my children have it. I went to Mount Sinai and put in for a cornea transplant.
When the family is ready to leave the hospital, then an eye bank coordinator will reach out to the family where they will talk about eye donation. These donations are very important, like for someone like James who's been waiting for an eye donation.
My first surgery was actually put off because there were no donor corneas on the day that my surgery was scheduled and was put off till the next week. I was amazed to see the light. It was night to day. To my surprise, I can see beautifully. So it's very important that people donate, because otherwise people like me would literally be blind.
Donation is a positive part of the grieving process. And when they know that their loved one is going to potentially give the sight to 2 people, it's priceless. Now it's a great time to sign up
on the New York State Donate Life Registry.